Yo, yo. Let's see. Yo, 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 yo. Yo. I don't know, but it doesn't really look like we're gonna have a setup today neither, bruh. God damn, bruh. God damn, bro. Like, come on, man. 2 weeks with barely any setups. Are you serioso? I was looking at this EURUSD short, basically, into the sell side right there, but it already fucking played out. We had equal lows of this 50-minute gap taking price lower, but it already played out, gang. It already played out. We might have, though, a continuation kind of setup here. We're gonna see. This cut, we back streaming, yes sir. Bro, sitting on live, what do you mean, bruh? What's you meaning? Oops, fuck. I like this, but I don't know, I still like kind of taking price lower towards these sell sides right here, but we kind of need the inversion, so this has a bit of potential. We're gonna see. AU looks bullish, we're coming still off that 4-hour gap. Ooh, we have a 4-hour gap here. Maybe this shit gets inversed. Yeah, if this shit gets inversed, we can be targeting this high right there. But yo, look at this shit. That 4-hour gap perfectly overlapping with these two like FVGs right there. This is good. I don't really like this high that much, but if we inverse, I'm looking to take this. Not really trading pre, just go for some lunch. Bro, what do you mean? Where you talking to, Brady? I got stopped out. Bro, fuck your kebab with pineapple. I also like, in terms of being bearish, probably GU is the best because it's just weaker, and now we're kind of looking like we're forming that second lower high. We don't have a strong rebalance though. We don't have the strongest of rebalances, but it might just leave off here. Let's see. We do have a 4-hour gap, so we might just be reaching next. So if I want to short, I'm more like into, what the fuck is happening, bro? More into GU here. But we need to inverse this, respect break lower. We can even take like only these equal lows here. I wouldn't really like targeting this, but we're gonna see. So GU does have some potential. But look at this shit, bro. This shit cock blocks the trade, bro. That 1 minute gap really be cock blocking the trade, and this 50-minute gap is not that great. It's only like something like this. It's a very small FVG, not usually what you really want to see. Bruh. UJ hell overextended. Yeah, don't want to be trading here. Maybe after we take this range high, I'll be down on shorts, but until then it does look strong even on the hourly. We just rated this low, tap this FVG, but yeah, we do have this inverse, which again cock blocks the trade. I'm hoping that maybe these pairs be printing something, but we do have this inversion though. If we look at price, this can be a draw, this can be a pretty solid draw. This FVG is here. Even if you look, let's look hourly. Ooh, I don't really like that mitigated, but we do have buy sell liquidity rate, tap into this 50-minute gap inversion. Ooh, but considering how UK is extremely volatile, yeah, this already looks like it's breaking, bruh. Yeah, I'm kind of down to take this price towards the low. So UK probably the best for today. Now we also took this range high, so I might really expect some shorts, but it's just been ranging. Like, yeah, this week has been bad. We were talking about this. Like, this week, look at this shit, bro. Like, what is he doing, UK? Look how nice it trended. Like the past 2 weeks, ooh, very nice trade. And then even the reversal was clean as fuck towards this low. Then like nothing, bro. Fuck me, bro. Shit, garbage, bro. But we're gonna see. Yeah, it's kind of closing this gap. I don't know. They all look forced. Once again, I don't want to force any shit, bruh. Anything. I don't like targeting cells here. We're targeting into 4-hour gap, so AD cells just fall straight off the bat. We're better on. Stop complaining. Yeah, bro. My bad. My bad, Chiefy. Probably UK and GU, likely. Let's see DAX. Will it take this high? We're struggling to even see a setup right now. Maybe if we print this 50-minute, but again, look at this. We have a strong low here, bruh. This should be pissing me off, gang. Bruh. We do have this as a draw, but we need to... It does have some potential though, even DAX here. But we need to see this broken. This should be very resistant. This should be fucking reversing your trades like hella. Like hella reversing on your trade. Maybe if this gets closed below, then we look for a retest and target this. Bruh. I don't see shit, man. Fuck me, bruh. 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 Kinda thinking, I do like this small idea. Then when we reach here, I'm kinda expecting more a bit of a bias. But why this area is very solid as a draw is 50-minute inverse, 50-minute gap, order block. Big. I think this is like an hourly order block. Yeah, this is a very strong order block. This is where we're drawing, and this is where probably we're gonna be holding like order flow. This is why my targets are most of the time just very low. And in this case, we're clearly counter trend, like we have very strong chance of just continuing bullish. So we either do this, we either take this trade lower into this, or we take the trade higher. Even though I don't really like trading higher into liquidity getting taken, we're gonna see. I don't really want to force shit though. Like, yeah, as a short-term trade, it is good targeting into the slow, but considering how UK really be behaving on London Open, I kind of heavily doubt we're not just gonna fucking Judah swing into this shit like instantly and then reverse. But we're gonna see. Jew does look good for these shorts though. I do like Jew because it's the weakest. We do have slight resistance here, but I wouldn't expect us leaving from this place. I would expect we're gonna take this slow, maybe even come to this, then be continuing bullish. We gonna see. But I don't like how we're rejecting off this shit. Buy some liquidity raid right there into this. This is our draw. Yeah, we can draw here, but it's just a stretch. We gonna see. But we did close that gap. I mean, we don't need this inversion though. Yeah, this looks very bearish. Like straight out of the bat, it looks like it's gonna leave. But we need to see this mitigated. Not necessarily close below, but at least mitigated to clear our way. Let's look at a very strong high here. Let's see if he holds this bearish gap. I'm curious. Ben, yes. That's what's going on through my head. Ben, yes. Brr. That's all I'm feeling right now. Brr. Like, that's what the price action be. Brr. No shit, bro. Nothing. And at least if I wouldn't have taken these L's like Tuesday on that random fucking mistake, but it is what it is. Can't force any trades. It's just up to staying patient. Euro would be more down on drawing here though. On drawing to these lows compared to GU. GU has the sell side rate here, which kind of fucks my idea. Like, I don't want to target into this, into sell side getting taken. I don't like that shit, bro. I don't like it. It's risky. So probably better off to be targeting this on euro because we don't have sell side rates. But we do have this right there that needs to get inversed, and it's a big ass fucking void here, so it's irrelevant. That 50-minute gap needs to see this close below. This is not bad actually. This is not bad if we see some shit like this. We test entry, take price here. Yo, it doesn't, I mean, take price towards London low, New York low. We'll be targeting this. That phase of paranoia, bro. What is you saying, bro? Paranoid is mumbling stuff. Yeah, first phase of being schizophrenic is mumbling stuff. Yeah, this is decent. I like this. This is decent. If we inverse this shit right there at the bottom, I might be more down to take it. DAX needs to do some hella strong shit for me to take this shit. Needs to close below this read. This is the classic pattern of a strong low. It definitely is the classic pattern of a strong low. Like triple bottom with a 50-minute VG here. Yeah, this is definitely the classic pattern. This, avoid this shit, bro. This always, like, I used to trade always into this shit, and I would have like my take profit like this, targeting the sell side, and I would always get fucking reversed on because of these patterns right here. This pattern is always fucking causing reactions. I will either get break even or either get stopped out, then price continues, because there's a lot of orders here and it's a lot of strength, a lot of resistance. So yeah, we need to see that shit close below. I wouldn't really be shorting before we see, even though we do have inversion here with a 15-minute gap. Yeah, not looking at that shit. Not looking at that shit, gang. Also, AU is looking like it's failing that lower high and it's gonna start breaking, but as I said, I'm not looking to be targeting 4-hour FVGs, bro. Like mitigated 4-hour FVGs, even if we have the sell side here, it's just too risky to do that shit. I mean, we do have a 4-hour here, but it's just still too risky to target into a 4-hour FVG, because this 4-hour FVG protects sell side most of the times, protects liquidity, meaning price can does this shit most often than not, comes here and then fucking rejects. And even like that is just risky because price might just continue because it already mitigated the most optimal POI, a higher time frame POI. Yo, we don't want. That's why I prefer buys here actually. But look at this shit. It's pretty clean bearish order flow because we did have this 4-hour into 4-hour, but yeah, I still wouldn't target sell side build on like an AVG. Even though if you think about it, like this sell side this area has lost a lot of relevance, because it got mitigated like many times, once, twice, 3 times. So maybe an exception, but I wouldn't really try and make an exception here. I don't think it's time for an exception. Let's see how 1 minute looks. Yeah, it's gonna sweep the fuck out of that shit, bro. Look at this sell side radiant to an FVG. It's gonna inverse this shit, go manipulate it, maybe then. Maybe if I see a 15-minute gap lower, I might consider it, but look at this shit. Yeah, at most I'm gonna target this, even like that. At most I'm gonna target these equal lows. They're pretty clean equal lows. I see the shit. Yeah, because I remember when I took that trade on news, why I didn't take these equal lows is because we came off a 4-hour and this should have been skipped. That's why the trade failed, and that's why we see this in 10, because we just came off this 4-hour AVG. Even though it's equal lows here, doesn't mean price is gonna draw in them. Yeah, I did wake up early actually. Morning, bro, morning. I did wake up early. I don't want to wake up late anytime, even if there's no setups. I don't give a shit. I don't want to be waking up late again. Yeah, we're gonna see. Towards these, I'm down, but yeah, I need to see some shit right there. I need to see. This is 4-hour with 4 hours, very strong higher time frame on, kind of showing a reaction lower though, but I still need to see some shit. I still need to see a 50-minute gap lower, even though we have this. Yeah, that's just what I feel like I need to wait here. DAX is probably, ooh, Jew's inversing. Do we want to be buying Jew? Hell nah, we don't want to be buying Jew. What are we buying into? A retracement? Hell nah, bruh. Hell nah. For Euro, like reversal. No, I'm just thinking sells. I don't know why you're thinking reversal, but I'm thinking sells. We have equal lows. I would say we would come. Yeah, we don't really have that strong of a POI here. I would still say we're continuing bearish. We have inversion. Yeah, we just have strong bearish order flow. I would say at least into these lows, and then maybe we reverse. For me, I'm actually looking at shorts here. I'm looking at shorts. If we inverse this shit, I'm targeting this low. Pretty much. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Let's see DXY. I actually didn't look at DXY. DXY needs to be bullish. I mean, it does look pretty bullish. We did. Oof. That's the one thing that is slightly bad about. Oof. This is kind of bad for Euro. Yeah, this is pretty bad for Euro buys. Euro shorts, my bad. Because it just very strong supply that rated liquidity, internal liquidity. So yeah, this kind of fucks the idea. On euro, it's more likely that we inverse now. Actually, inverse this bullish gap and continue lower, I would say. But I don't know if this really fucks the idea. Generally, it does because it's way too strong. GU probably will take Asia high. I mean, at this point, yeah, probably will do. It kind of looks like it, but yeah, I think this DXY, where DXY is on the higher time frame, really fucks the idea of euro. And I've seen setups fail so many times because of DXY on euro. It has too big of an impact on euro, so I think this shit right there really fucks the idea of keeping buying. Like, this is too strong of a supply. It's too fucking strong. Even though we came off like sell side, we retested, we're bullish, we have this inversion. It's too risky. Buy side, like, it's too strong. This area is way too strong. Too fucking strong. Sadly, it kind of invalidates the trade on euro, because buy side, like, equal highs, the supply very fucking strong, like, caused all this move lower. Then it has equal highs here. Yeah, it's just too likely to at least see a reaction. I'm not saying that it's just gonna hold long term, but at least it's gonna cause a reaction, probably into this inversion though. Yeah, it just really fucks the euro trade now. My idea of shorting euro really gets fucked. Even though euro, when we look at higher time frame, it's not that clear that, oh yeah, we're reversing. But DXY, and I don't want to be buying. Pretty much, I don't want to be buying. It already swept these equal lows, so it does have a chance of just inversing. I mean, maybe because of DXY, I might be down on taking price towards this newer high, but yeah, it's weird. It is weird though. Yo, my god, bro. All my setups are be getting invalidated, bro. All my setups be getting invalidated. Bro, UK looks good though. The only pair that looks good. Yo, I don't wanna be buying GU. I don't wanna be buying euro, even if DXY really tells me that I don't like trading retracements. Fuck. Bro. It just, all my setups be getting fucking invalidated, but it is what it is, right? Gotta stay patient. Euro definitely is more likely to be buying just because of DXY here. DXY gonna fucking inverse. I would have definitely traded DXY here if I would have the opportunity, but we don't. And only, I think FTMO allows DXY trading, which is fucking great. I can't wait to get an FTMO account, because DXY is my favorite pair, or index, whatever you can fucking call it. But yeah, I'm not gonna be looking at buys here. It's retractive. We don't know where the retracement will stop, and it's too big of a gamble for me to do. I think Jew will actually come to this 4-hour inversion though. Yeah, when gaps are this big, we gotta kind of use what is to the left of us. Once we come here, I'm down to take sales maybe for New York. Yeah, it's not that bad of a price action. I'm not gonna lie, it's not that bad. It's just we are in that part where we kind of need to retrace, and I'm not really gonna prefer buying here. Jew buy be going crazy. Yeah, kind of. I did inverse, and it does look like a decent buy, but I'm not gonna do it. It's a gamble for me. It's a gamble. Yeah, I'm gonna take a small break. Just probably my only trade is gonna be UK for the day. I really like this inversion here, so that's what I'm gonna wait for. Fuck me, bro. I'm gonna go smoke and smoker and smoker. I'm already gonna tell that shit before you do, bro. Okay, it's gonna. I like this in a sense because it is sub, bro. Sub. It's likely. Oh, never mind. It already fucking played out my idea. I kind of expected it. Not gonna lie though. I kind of did expect that shit. Bro, so unlucky, bro. It's so fucking unlucky. Already played my idea straight out of London Open, which I did expect because I already know UK. UK be hella fucking volatile on Open, so can't say I didn't expect this shit. Annoying as fuck. Yeah, I'm down to like demo trade these buys here. As I said, it's just too risky. I like when I'm targeting like this, when I'm trading counter trend, I like to at least like have some sort of like internal liquidity above here, so I have more reason to target rather than just a 4-hour inverse. Like this high is not liquidity. I need really serious signs that for example we're gonna draw in a certain area. But let's see DAX here. It's not looking bad. It's not looking bad, but I need definitely to see a retracement. I'm not gonna trade straight out the bat here. And oof, look at this wick, bro. Sadly, even though I think these buys are gonna be more likely, like look at this shit. Even if I want to buy, I have buy side liquidity getting raided here, and I have buy side liquidity getting raided here. So what am I actually targeting? If liquidity is raided, what am I targeting? Even though with a sweep and even though with an inverse, I cannot really be targeting here. That's just my strategy. I don't target on taking liquidity, sadly. But yeah, probably Geo's gonna buy. I'm watching DAX here on the retest. This is not nice. It kind of rejected that strong low. It kind of also took the strong low, so we gotta be extra cautious here. But I do see Geo buying here straight off the bat. It's just not a trade I would take. If we inverse this, yeah, this can be a good buy. Right there. Like this. Maybe even target that 4-hour or target this New York high to the left, like right there. 1.7. I might do like a buy stop on, yeah, on demo. I very rarely do buy stops. Buy stops for me are something really troll, but for a demo, I'm done. I'm fine. My bad. I'm done. What am I saying? Ugh. Yeah, let's wait on this. I'm down to take it slightly. Gotta be a bit careful of this low though. Yeah, gotta be a bit careful. Generally, I feel like, yeah, it's not really a strong low, so it shouldn't really be a problem. It's not a strong low. Yeah, this should be our target for DAX if it doesn't just fucking play out. This looks, oh, this this looks like one of these gaps that I usually just short off if we don't fucking just play the idea like already. Bruh. My ideas be playing out without me today. UK already played out. Depends how this gap closes. I want to see us, like, I don't know, close higher. Like, I cannot take this if it doesn't give me 1 hour at least. And I don't think doing an equilibrium entry here is chilling overall. It might be. I need to see the gap. Yeah, this is the gap. But what is my R? You get what I mean? I don't have R. 0.8? Hell no. So sadly, this trade gets fucking validated, bro. God damn, this week has been fucking a menace for me. Yeah, it's already playing out anyways, so. Bro, this week has been torturing me. This week has been a fucking torture. This looks like a good gap, but I cannot take it anymore. My drawn liquidity is out. Oh my god, bro. This week been a fucking pain. Or maybe here on UK if we inverse this shit, but it's gonna take 2-3 fucking days to deliver here. All my trades be getting invalidated. Maybe we print this AU though. Slightly risky because of 4 hour, but I think just because in a case of intuitive cases, the fact that the POI is mitigated twice and the fact that we have 2 4-hour POIs is just too likely to print lower, even though we have that shit. But I would target Asian lows here, so I'm waiting on Bro, look at this shit, bro. Bruh. He's smoking at any. What do you mean? At any time? What do you mean? Where you see? But for now, yeah. Look at this shit. This is gonna be buying like hella. This looks like a very good buy here. Oh, the retest, but fuck. All my setups, bro. All my fucking setups, even today, yesterday, all that shit. All these weeks be getting invalidated, but it is what it is, gang. Right? We cannot be forcing shit. I don't know about this outside though. I think this shit is gonna get hella swept here. €1. Hella fucking swept, and yeah, for now, it used closing the gap. So yeah, I would be more down on buys here. I would target this probably. Yeah, this is nice internal here, and this is exactly where high resistance kind of starts. So I would be down if we inverse like right there, but it's gonna take again a lot of time. Fuck, bro. Fuck. This would have been a nice trade, even kind of small, but it would have been nice. It would have been nicey if we, I don't know, did something. Yeah, this looks hella fucking good. This inversion here looks hella good, bro. Should I do it on the personal? I don't think that's necessarily a good idea. I don't think it's a good idea though. Even on the personal, it's not a good idea. Even on a small account, it's not a good idea because we did take Asian highs, and it's still likely for us to just fail off here. So I wouldn't choose to do that shit, bruh. Even on the personal. You don't have higher time frame confluence to be buying. The only confluence I have on Geo here is this sell survey, which I wouldn't even consider a confluence. It's too minor. We do have this inversion and we do have this inversion, but again, I don't have reason to be drawn higher rather than this 4-hour inverse. I need more reason to be drawn higher. Even though it looks good lower time frame, when entry is far from everything that takes for a trade to be good. An entry is never enough for a trade to be good. It needs the context to be solid as well. Annoying fucking weak, bro. Annoying weak as fuck. I mean, let's see gold. What is gold doing? Nothing. Nothing. Can you do some XRP? Let me see. Where's XRP? Yeah, can I be looking bearish? Not gonna lie. Ooh, look at these lows. They're waiting to get taken. Yeah, this is fucking bearish. This is hella bearish. I would just trade either of this inversion here or either of, yeah. If we leave, I mean, we do have this, which kind of fucks the short, but I would say overall we're drawing towards this wick. Hell yeah. Towards maybe equilibrium of the wick. Yeah, me personally, how I would trade this, I would wait for this to get close below. And if we close below here, I would short towards here or here at least. That's how I would trade. I see it bearish for now. I would see us coming into these equal lows definitely. They're just waiting to be taken, and it gets confirmed that we're reaching there because of this 4-hour gap with 2 4-hour inversions. Yeah, it looks very bearish for me, XRP here. It looks very bearish. Oh my god, bro. What is this shit right there? Just DAX things, bro. Just DAX things. DAX be doing this shit almost every fucking day. Even if this shit gets inversed, no shorts. Sadly. Sell side taken once again. 50 million inverse. It really cockblocks the trade. No problem, bro. No problem. But yeah, DAX be fucking melting. These indexes are a fucking menace to society, bruh. These indexes be fucking menaces. Yeah, we're still... Like, look at this shit, bro. Sell side taken, buy side taken. Like, what are you even... You cannot even trade here, bro. Like, you cannot trade here. You cannot trade. Sell side taken, buy side taken. Where are we going? We don't fucking know. We don't fucking know. Especially since we're fucking ranging like hella. We don't fucking know where we're heading. Yeah. Oh shit. Juice kinda failing, gang. I don't know about this though. Kinda failing. Euro still fucking weird as fuck. DXY is same. They're all fucking weird, bruh. Weird ass, goofy ass week. Bruh. Weird ass, goofy ass week. Let's see Nasdaq. What did Nasdaq do yesterday? Yeah, shorted again. Hell yeah. Fucking melting. Ah, I did see Nasdaq yesterday. My bad. Probably yeah. A would be the only pair I would trade if we see this 50-minute gap form, but even like that, I don't like equal highs here, bruh. Something silly. I ain't gonna do something silly. I ain't gonna force no trades. I ain't gonna force shit, buddy. I'm just gonna wait. Even yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my time, bro. I have 2 trades per day on a minimum. If this week doesn't present trades, it's just like a random fucking week. It's just random. Sometimes this shit happens. And us as traders, we need to be fucking patient and wait for our time to come. We need to be patient and survive these weeks. I feel like it's important. Yeah, it looks slightly like it's shorting, but I cannot really say for now. Geo. Bro, why? Like, I don't see. Oh, we need the Indian. Yeah, we need the Indian to tell us what to do here. To tell us what pair we should short or not. I don't know where the Indian boss is, bro. I don't know. Like, for example, I was looking at this shit. For example, on my OBS, there's one message that I've been seeing. Manipulate like your messages, soup. But on my chat, it doesn't show for some reason. I don't know. I don't know what be happening here. We need the Indian boss to tell us what to do here, bro. We need. Oh shit, bro. What is this, man? Like, bro. Like this is what I love. I love probably like if I would place like top tier pairs to trade would be DAX, UK, DXY, and Euro. That's it. I mean, this is what I would trade like every single day. I wouldn't even trade UJ. Not none of this shit. This is what I would trade. This would be my arsenal. But the only thing like okay, like this maybe, and like this. This is what I would consider them in terms of quality. Even AUD, yeah, this is what I would choose to trade every single day. But the only difference is I don't have access to DXY. We cannot only in FTMO. Ooh, we're looking like we're flipping bearish. I'm gonna wait on this until then. I want to kind of check FTMO. Start the FTMO challenge. We need that 50-minute gap lower. I wouldn't be trading any other way. This inverse is too small to take as a valid inverse. This shit. Grow and monetize your demo trading. The fuck? Let's see. I think I'm pretty sure that FTMO has DXY though. I'm pretty fucking sure it has. Didn't it have like a search? Like a search button? Look, custom DXY right there. So yeah, you can trade DXY. Spread is actually decent. It has a lot of shit that you can even trade stocks, really. On FTMO. Yeah, I would just buy anyway. Like FTMO is probably the best prop firm to go with. And what is this? 10% off? Fuck you, bro. Yes, I use FTMO. Yeah. And it's also like long term. Really is the prop firm that you can scale with FTMO. Like it's too many beneficial things. The only not beneficial thing is that it's a bit expensive. I would buy this shit right now, but I don't have money. If I would have, I would definitely buy this 100k. And it has a 10% target, but that shit ain't gonna be a problem if you're profitable anyways. On the 1 minute for me, just broke down, tested hourly AVG and reversed back in there because it looks like it could be going long for those internal points. Oh no, I still don't see any longs, bro. I don't see any longs. Maybe Euro, yeah, but AUD USD I still see short. Definitely, I mean, we just have too strong higher time frame influence for shorting here on, and we have equal loads resting, just waiting to get taken here. It's higher time frame target. So if we form this 50-minute gap, I'll be down on taking these shorts. Yes, sir. I wouldn't use this shit though. It's too small. Or maybe. The range doesn't look that impulsive. Yeah, definitely need, in cases like this when range isn't really that impulsive, I would definitely wait for a 50-minute gap. No, or a retracement, my bad. I would definitely wait for a retracement here. Probably, oh my fucking god, this guy is a menace, bro. Like, Dax and Yuki are fucking menaces. Look at this shit. And this happens very often. This week didn't really happen that much, but this happens really often, and you can catch these trades. You can fucking catch these trades. I've seen a lot of opportunities like this on DAX in UK. Euro does look bullish though. Is AUD rejecting as well? It kinda is. Euro does look, we did sweep that low. All this sell side. A demo I would do, but we're kinda overextended to even do a demo here. I mean, already inversion here, already retested that shit. I would be down on taking a demo. Should be working. Right there. Asian highs, even these equal highs right there. Can delete the zone. This I think is like a 50-minute FVG and a 5-minute FVG. Should be going, but I don't know. Kind of looks a bit voided here to be going, but even on voided cases, we do have sell side getting swept, so I feel like that's why this buy might work. These equal highs look just waiting to get taken again here. And with DXY being bearish on higher time frame, we definitely know we're more likely to be buying on Euro. That's why my shorts got invalidated here because of DXY. Just looking bearish though, kind of bearish by these restrictions. Yeah, it's the weakest pair. We don't want to be buying GU. If we want to buy, we want to buy Euro, not GU. It's way weaker, I think. No, yeah. That buy looks bad. I mean, it's a fucking demo, bro. What is you mean? You gotta roast me every day, right? I mean, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. You gotta roast me every day. Like, you cannot live happily if you don't roast me every fucking day. But I still think it's gonna work. Yeah, it still looks good to me. Just a bit of resistance here, but like in terms of, yeah. Buddy, you should be roasted. You should be crucified, bro. How are you saying this buy is bad? It's gonna work, trust. It's gonna work, brody. Is AU confirming the gap? We need, how much we need? 12 minutes? I even like that. I don't know if I like this shit. Like, I feel like range is too weak as fuck. I do like how strong this is looking, but yeah. Better off to be waiting here. Oh, trading view, hello. See, bro, this is all your fault. This is because you be flaming me. My trading view just got stuck. Because you be flaming too much. It's all your fault. Please work at least this time. Okay, now it's okay. When you kept saying it's gonna work, it's gonna fucking work, bro. Just trust. You don't know shit, bro. Like, what do you be trading? House trading? No real trades, bro. Again, no real trades. We're just demoing. It doesn't look like shit. We had 2 ideas that played out without me on DAX in UK. 2 shorts already played out. Maybe this AU short, but I can't say it's really convincing me to short. Again, he fucking oh, never mind. Apparently on 3-minute works. So we're just demoing this shit. Yeah. Coffee machine be too struggly. About the news later on, Carly on GBP. Yeah, they're gonna offer some volatility. I don't know much about oh, we have heavy fucking news today. I mean, not really, but we have these. I like unemployment claims. This is gonna offer a bit. Yeah, these usually are nice news, but it's gonna be a lot of volatility because these medium impacts add a lot. But after news, There might be some nice like yeah, nice trades to be taken after news. Yeah, bro, why you be flaming me over this buy and shit is gonna work? Let's see. I wanna check USD CHF. Uh, I tried trading this pair once, but it's just too fucking choppy. Let's see. I did trade USD CAD was actually one of my first pairs that I traded. Oh no, it was actually my first pair that I traded was CAD JPY, bro. This shit is whack. This shit is garbage. This shit is not it. No, I mean compared to the other pairs, it has been moving, but it moves like shit. Yeah, it kind of moves like shit, ganger. Be flaming my buy and watch it hit TP. Yo, like intraday, like very scalp based. It does look decent. What have I taken it? Probably not, gang. Probably not. Like in this, only in this part right there, it looks good. I like it with Asian low sweep, equal highs, but no confluence, no hard time frame confluence, no real, yeah, no real. But DXY does help, and we are buying into a 15-minute gap. That's why I wouldn't take this. On neither, pretty much neither. Fucking either personally, either if it's a $1 risk, I wouldn't take it. Like they're not really moving anywhere. UK, we're actually seeing those buys play out that I did say exactly of my area. It just was too good of an area, maybe a risk buy. Ooh, yeah, this looks like a very good 22 model. It looks good. I'll target this shit. Just demoing this shit today, bro. Tug it now. Tugging this shit out with demos. Yeah, why this is good, this is probably the perfect like 22 model is because sell side raid, rebalance high getting broken, valid market structure shift, inversion and gaps. Yeah, this looks hella fucking good though. But invalid. I don't have nothing to target pretty much. Only invalid trades, bruh. Yeah, I'm gonna move this here. This looks like the gap that's gonna hold price higher. Or it's just FOMO, bro. What if you're FOMOing on a demo, gang? Oh my god, bro. How can you FOMO on a demo? Should be getting, yeah, this looks like, I don't know though. It depends how it closes. How can you FOMO on a demo, gangy? Stop loss should be chilling here anyways because it covers this inversion. Yeah, let's look at the euro one. Let's just keep both on the chart, just chilling. Oh. Yeah, this is my demo trade. I wouldn't recommend taking it, but still stalling. I don't know why we're struggling to print even today. I don't know why we're struggling. Should be coming for those equal highs though, but it does have a lot of resistance though on its way to that high. Yeah. I don't know what sound I'm getting out of me sometimes, bro. Yeah, this looks good, but doesn't look like it's gonna retrace the UK one. And euro struggling a lot here. I mean, I don't know though. I cannot really read this price action. I don't know what's more likely to happen. The buy still looks decent though. To these equal highs, even Asian highs, just a small stretch. But overall, in the long term, should continue. We should probably start getting some volatility because usually, anyways, the first 30 minutes of London are kind of shit, and we should get some volatility. Either if it's bearish or bullish, should remove this shit. Yeah, Yuki's just looking like it's gonna go with no regrets. Maybe he's gonna react off this open order block. That's also something I usually see. But a very good market structure shift though. Yeah, this is the classic 22 model with a very healthy displacement. Like compare this entry with the euro entry. You cannot compare this shit. Oh no, the demo trade is failing. As long as it holds that at 1 minute inverse, we should be chilling on euro on this. Let me play something, some music. I should probably make a backtesting account, but I do want to see how these play out. Oh no! Just leaving, no retraces. Yeah, I'm probably gonna backtest for the rest of the session. It doesn't look. Oh, I need to check AUD USD. When should I check? Oh yeah. Can I close the gap anyways? Yeah, I don't know about this. This short. I don't like the fact that we haven't taken Asia highs, but it's not something that concerning because we have a 4-hour POI and this high already strongly mitigated that 4 hours, so it doesn't necessarily need to take that high, but still risky. Probably even like that, I would still use this. Why now it becomes, this area becomes relevant is because we held in. Now this becomes an area that I want to see broken for me to just take these lows. This is pretty much the only trade I would take today. This UK one, this AUD one, my bad. Let me actually place this a bit higher just to know. Like right there. Bruh, but you are not be doing shit. What is this week? Why are we actually so choppy? This is like summer price action, not gonna lie. And summer price action was so good this year, at least for me, bro. And now we're not doing shit. Like, bruh. Why are we consolidating? Why we don't have volatility? I don't understanding. Why are we doing this shit? Create a backtest test? Yeah, we'll do soon, bro. Just wanna stay a bit more to see how these setups be doing. Yo, what's good? That was good, 60. Oops, not this one. This one. Yes, sir, skis. Let me create an FX replay account. And we can do like a battle maybe. I mean, that's what I need to do from now on. Every time I don't have a trade, it doesn't mean I shouldn't stream or I shouldn't, I don't know. Yeah, I shouldn't stream. I should just be here and just backtest. Because like this, you're growing first and second. Oh shit, my bad. You're fueling the... Wait, what? What? Sign up? Email already exists, okay. I don't have, bro. I'm just abusing the first trial. If I would have like money, I would definitely buy that shit, bro. I would definitely be buying it, but gotta do what you gotta do. Not that hard to create another account though, is it? I mean, it keeps giving away. Not that hard, buddy. There's no way this... Bruh. Oh no, the trade is falling, failing. Roast me, please. Roast me. You were waiting for this moment all your life. I mean, all session. Where's the call this week? No, I just lost a demo trade. I don't know. I don't know when. We're just gonna do probably, yeah, like both days. Yeah, we need, bro. That's why I kept asking, because maybe the Indian guy would have made me avoid this. Oh, bro, like, come on, bro. Wait, AUD inverse? How the fuck did that happen? Wait, let me see. Let me see the shit, because this might be a trade for me to take, so. It might be a trade to take, though. Let's see. But we need a valid close. Oh my god, you're so right, bro. You're him, bro. You should probably, like, I don't know, go on some podcast and talk about how you trade, bro. You're him. You should teach. You should make a 1K course, bro. I would buy that shit. If with that course I'm able to avoid these shitty trades, please. I need that shit right now. I'm gonna go in depth just to buy your course, please, bro. Please, bro, you gotta do that shit, bro. Let's see this. But it doesn't look very promising. It doesn't look that promising. It looks like it's gonna get inversed. Again. Another trade invalidated. But what can you do, gang? Sometimes this is the market. Sometimes it isn't. We just gotta be patient. Yo, shit, this is. I think Euro might have just stopped out and I was bullish. Yeah. Don't do this trades, man. Shut the fuck up, bro. Watch it work now. I'm fucking revenge trading on my demo. 1000 max fucking leverage, bro. Market order rejected. How are you rejecting a fucking demo trade? Full margin? How do I do more margin? Bro, buy him, get me in, bro. Oh my god, the fill is so garbage. Get me in right now. I don't want this trade to leave without me, bro. I don't want this to leave without me, bro. Yeah, now it looks like a hella good displacement. Hella goody. Get me in. I'm not gonna lose. Oh no, one loss. Yeah. Roasting bro is even better than coffee beans. Bro, shut your bitch ass up. You got waked up yesterday. Don't be talking up to me about getting waked up, bro. I mean, bro, on a demo, I don't even know why spreads are present on a demo, bro. I don't know why. I mean, they're probably just doing it so you can get used to like real life market conditions, but it's still kind of stupid though, isn't it? It still is kind of stupid to have spreads on a demo. No, it's failing again. Oh my god, bro. Don't. Don't, please. Don't do that shit. It's gonna hurt my ego. Oh my god, bro. hard to hear your voice. I don't know how it is hard. My mic is legitimately in my face. I was probably like facing away from the mic. Maybe that's why. Or maybe the music is too loud. My bad. The music might have been a bit too loud. Get me in, get me in. I don't want to lose. Get me in right now, bro. Get me in. This is average Danish trade stream. Average Danish trade stream. Legitimately. Where you from? Romania, bro. Where you from? Humboldt? Oh my god, my ego, bro. Don't ever do that shit to me, bro. Please. Let me win my demo. No, it's reversing again, bro. I'm gonna place a little once again here on the lows in case. Yeah. I mean, bro. Why would you? I don't know. There are people like that though. Like that's crazy though. Please let me win this shit right now, bro. No, I'm gonna get roasted again. Please work. Please work, bro. Georgia, nice, bro. Georgia is a very beautiful country. Yo, bro, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's good or what's up? Yeah, we're just chilling. We're just demo trading. We don't have any valid trades today. We might have this, but oh no. Please get me in. More, 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 more. Get me in right now, bro. Get me in. This trade is gonna work. It has to. I put my whole house on the line. I put my whole house on the line. It gotta work. How's Euro going lower? And yeah. And you said June was buying. You said June was buying and shit. And look at you buying, bruh. Adventure for expires in forever. Time to start. It's never too late to restart. This shit gotta work. Like, you cannot fail me again, bro. If you buy enough times, you're eventually gonna move the market and the trade is gonna work in your favor. That's our strategy. Oh my god, I'm full margin. I'm full margin. If you buy enough times, you're eventually gonna kind of like brainwash the market and it's gonna move in your favor. Just trust this. Look at this. It's gonna work, bro. Just trust me. I know what I'm doing, okay? I know what I'm doing. I know. This is a forbidden strategy. No one really knows about it. But if you buy enough times, it's going to work. Just trust. You have, like, this is how profitable trading is done. No one really tells you, but you just got to, like, press buy until you're full margin. And eventually, like, it's going to work. Bruh. I need to eat some shit, bro. I need to eat. My stomach is yelling. And I cannot, to be honest, I cannot sit here and watch my demo trade run. Like, I cannot do it, bro. I'm too much margin on this shit. Fake sell? How the fuck am I gonna fake sell? Press sell full margin, close it instantly, then flip it into buys. Big strategy. That shit is like another forbidden tech. I think the Illuminati would wish to know about this shit, bro. They would wish to know about this. The Wall Street traders, they wish they would know about this type of strats, bro. Like, now I should full close and short, but I'm not doing that, bro. I'm trusting. But DXY should be bearish still. I feel like in it should still be bearish. Maybe we take the high again. I don't know. Just trust. You have to trust at some point. Yeah, that's the strat, bro. That's the strat. I am creating liquidity. Look, we're in profit, see? Yes, sir. Yeah, let's go, bro. We're rich, bro. Yeah, if this I'm done, I'm uninstalling, I'm deleting my channel. I'm not ever trading again. If this one loses, bro, I'm gonna hang myself. Bro, like, come on, what is you doing? Why is it not working? I cannot buy more. I cannot. Oh, I can buy. Market order rejected. Ah. Nah. I'm short. What the fuck am I doing? Bro, trust. Now we trap the market thinking we're going long, but we're gonna go short in the meantime. Trust. Like, this is your strategy. You were right, bro. So you have to just buy full margin. So you trick the market into manipulating you, then you close fully, and then you go short. That's the strategy. And look at this shit work. Look at this shit work, bro. You just gotta get into the market's head, bro. That's what I feel like. Wait, there was one guy that had that hammer strategy. Where the fuck is the hammer? How the fuck do I do that shit? Bow. Now it's gonna work. The hammer is red, so it's gonna work. Let me put the magnet also. It gotta work now, bro. It gotta work now. Look, it's working. Look, see, the candle fucking rejects. So once I put this hammer here, price is gonna be scared of going above. See, bro, like, if we do this with the fundeds, like, we're gonna be funded in no time. And I watch this trade get fucking reversed on it, and it's gonna buy again. Oh yeah, it's fine. It's always like you gotta really adapt and like know, you know what I mean? Like, now we're flipping the switch. Nah, bro, it's buying, bro. What do you mean sell? It's buying. Trust. Oh no, it's shorting. Fuck. It's shorting. It's shorting, bro. It's shorting. Like, what I cannot do this. We gotta flip the switch again. Okay. No, it's working. Average Danish trade experience. Well, imagine, I think there's actually people that do this, like, non-ironically. I think I used to do this when I was a beginner as well. Was I? I don't fully remember. Yeah, I was not doing shit. Bro, work. Why is the market not respect? See, because I kept buying and shorting, like, over and over again, now the market's consolidating, bro. Like, that's why the market is stalling, because, you know, here I bought, then I shorted, then I bought again, now I'm shorting again. Like, that's why the market is consolidating. I just have to stick to one side of the market. Now you see that a big candle is gonna form lower, and it's gonna start going to my TP because I pressed short again, right? You know what I mean? Like, it's just like controlling the market. Like, this is how market makers be thinking. The market makers, this is how they thinking, bro. Like, they don't have like reasoning. They just see, I just made the market consolidate. You know, I bought here, the market went a bit higher, then I got stopped out. My stop loss caused this massive rejection higher. Like, that's just it. Like, I be controlling the market with my demo trades. I need to go eat some. Bro, but I mean, now, see, like, on a serious note, why is the market so fucking slow today? See, I control the market. Look, I show you now. The market is moving lower. It's just all in the mind, bro. It's all mental. It's all you controlling the market. See, bro. I control the markets, bro. There's no doubts about it. You saw me do this shit live. As soon as I click sell and buy, the market is consolidating. As soon as I click sell, like the market be selling off. Like you already know I'll be controlling the market. It's just you don't want to admit it. I'm controlling. Look at this shit, bro. Like I would sell again if I would have the opportunity, but I cannot be. Oh. That's because I tried to short and now, yeah, that's what happened. Bro, what? Like on a serious note, what the fuck is the market doing? Yeah, mental videos. See, bro, you should listen, bro. I'm controlling the market. I know you've been underestimating me. Like I'm not the market maker, bro. Like that. The reaction higher just happened because I tried to short and I got rejected, bro. Like that's all. The only reason why that wick higher happened is because my order got rejected, bro. Like you guys need to be listening to me again. Like you cannot be doing this shit, bro. I do this shit every. Like look at this, bro. Like I'm him. I'm him, bro. Look at this shit. I control the market. Now you're gonna see that I'm gonna buy and it's gonna fuck. Look at this. Look. As soon as I buy, there's a fucking wick there, bro. As soon as I buy, there's a fucking wick. That's my TP. I'm looking to get back to that wick. Now I'm gonna keep buying because I'm gonna cause a reaction into price to go towards that area. You see that I'm moving the market actively with my buys. And yeah. Oh shit. Oh, it's because I forgot to move the magnet here. That's why I forgot to move the magnet. Like, bro, you already know, bro. You already know I'll be controlling this shit, bro. I look at this shit now. It's gonna retrace. It's gonna come back to this week because I just used all my buy orders here. You're gonna see, bro. Like, you don't believe me when I tell you I'm controlling the market and shit, bro. Like now there are a lot of buyers with me here. They already know. There's some people like in my inner circle, you know what I'm saying, that be knowing how I trade, and now I'm buying and it's gonna go towards this is the weekend. From here I'm shorting again. Like you, bro. Yeah, I didn't move the magnet, bro. I didn't move the magnet. That's why. Like just trust. Look how big of a wick I created with my orders. Like, bro, you gotta trust this shit, bro. Like, you guys don't be trusting me when I say I'm controlling the markets. You get what I mean? 30 lots, bro, that's too light, bro. You need to go heavy. Like, you know already, like, the shit is gonna happen. Right now, it's gonna happen. It's gonna go to this week. We're gonna be rich. Let me buy more. I might not have enough volatility to control the market here. I did cause a candle, but I don't know if I have enough volatility to be controlling, like, you know what I mean? To have it like, oh shit. No. I need to close and provide enough volatility again to cause a reaction to my TP. You get what I mean? Oh shit, it's not looking good for me. It's not looking good for me here, bro. But trust. Oh shit. Oh shitans. I am down 13k. Oh my god, bro. Me too, bro. I gotta look. Let me see it. Let me watch you. Like on a non-ironic basis. Depends a lot on. Yeah, we're rejecting again. Fuck this shit, bro. I need to provide volatility here to support that move lower, but I don't have orders anymore. Fuck. That like sometimes I don't have enough volatility. That's the only reason why. Yeah. Why sometimes my trade not be working, because sometimes there's too many like market makers, and yeah, they have more volatility than me and they win. So I can't really. Oh, that's crazy though that you were actually ended up being bearish, like on a no cap basis. Now I need to see the retest for me to take this trade. I mean, this was actually pretty clean. What the fuck? How the fuck you tap my alert that fast? What? What the fucksies? Bro. But you actually ended up being short as I like on like stopping the cap and the jokes. I did say of this inversion, but yeah, I did expect DXY to be bearish though. We have a very strong, yeah, we're reaching back into these lows. Did we have opportunity? Not really. Until this shit gets inverse, we didn't really have opportunity. But I wouldn't short. It's too small of a gap. I wouldn't short. I need the retracement still. Like on a non-ironic basis, I still need a retracement here. I would like to still take price towards these equal lows, but I need to see a nice retracement. We have this order block here. Yeah, we need to see that retracement. This would be perfect because if it reaches, I can have a safe stop loss above these two inversions. But we're gonna see if it happens. Let's see what you. Oh, Yuki cannot just played out without me. But yeah, I was right at the end. That's truly what matters. Geo also ended up failing. We didn't even tap that, which is fucking weird. We didn't tap that every G. But yeah, Euro. Do I want to short Euro? Maybe it's not that bad, but I'm not sure if I want to actively like participate in this shit. We don't have. Yeah, the inversion is very much at the top. This looks more like a. Oh no. We do have this. I don't know if that single-handedly is gonna fuck my trade, but we're gonna see. I'm sorry for breaking your ears, but let's see. It's nice. I actually like this, that we're getting a bit of momentum because we're forming my confluence, which is a possible inversion at this point in price. Would this be a reason to be scared though? This, I wouldn't really say so. Let me think. I don't think it should be a problem. Let's see what would we get. Or 1R or sacred 1 point something. Decent. I mean, it's already closing the gap, which kind of sucks. Kind of sucks a bit because it takes away my confluence to be taking. Yeah, this is fucked. Now it's only if we see a gap lower and taking this shit. Stop loss comes above the order block. We need to sacrifice room here. Fuck. Yeah, bro, you should start, bro. He's him. That guy's him, bro. I mean, his clothing brand is, I think it's also overrated. Like, let's see bankroll. I need to do just out of curiosity after that. Bankroll, TGR. Yeah, this looks good. Like a good gap, but a stop loss definitely needs to be there. I don't know if that's safe on a necessarily basis. If that's really safe, but of the retest and of the momentum we're getting, we should just keep this placing. Let's see if that gap forms. It's kind of getting rejected, so yeah. But I do like how we retested the order block. Now that rejection really fucks the idea unless we see a very aggressive close lower. I'm not taking this shit. Unless a very aggressive close, hell no. I mean, it does look decent, but it looks like a gap that is not gonna get retested, to be honest. I need to study. You should, bro. You should. I do want to see some momentum. If we don't close strong, I don't know if I should trust the this is fucked. It already closed. I see it on MetaTrader a bit faster than on the stream, on the trading view, my bad. Yeah, this is fully closed. I'm not taking this. It's a bad gap. It might still work, but yeah, not taking this. Definitely not. It rejected the low, the gap got closed. FOMO, hell nah. Even if it leaves, it is what it is. Bro, the Discord man is coming. What do you mean, the Discord man? Yeah, not taking this shit. Euro's gonna look like it's melting, but yeah, probably. Yeah, this looks like a dog shit entry. The entry really fucked me here, and I'm not gonna force or get FOMO or enter in this unless we get it back. Another retrace, it's pretty much over. This entry really fucked the idea. And now thinking about it, we do have this 3-minute gap, which might actually cause that reaction high, which would be even better actually. But yeah, this is a dog shit fucking entry. It's not hard to spot that this is a dog shit entry. Like this, like these two candles are fine, but these last two, come on, bro. These really fuck. This doji candle pretty much fucked the trade. If we had like a more proper close, yeah, I would have taken it. Probably why this candle really closed like this is because we reached that FVG and we did sweep the low. But still, at this point, it's more likely to get a retracement, and that's again what I'm waiting for price to come back, take this side, maybe come a bit deeper actually into this. Yes sir. Oh, the Discord man. Oh yeah, I didn't understand what he was saying, but yeah, now I know where you are. Yeah, this looks like it's playing out fuck, but as usual, can't be forcing nothing. I'm just waiting on my turn. If he wants to leave, just leave, bro. You're looking decent. If we actually retrace before taking that low, it doesn't look bad at all, but I need to see a retracement. Oh my god, Jew fucking melted. Jew melted. Oh yeah, see. Let's see if we get that retracement. If we don't, fuck all this bullshit, fuck the market, fuck everyone. Bruh. This week has really been a test, like coming off these two troll losers that I took where I lost like 3%, now having no opportunity to recover. That can really be detrimental for your mental if you're not careful, if you're not grounded. It can be really detrimental and you can easily start forcing trades. But luckily I've been in it. I've been doing that mistake too many times to like do it again. I've just been too many times there. I see the bankroll. I wanted to see, what is this? I wanted to see his clothes. Why can I not see his clothes? Bankroll? I wanted to see. I feel like that's how his clothing brand is named, but I cannot find it apparently. Apparently cannot find TJR's clothing brand. But it's a pretty cool name, Bankroll, if you think about it. Yeah, this looks like it's just gonna play without me, but can't be taking entries like this. Like, it's just clear. If the market wants to give me a trade today, or this London is gonna give me. If it doesn't, it doesn't. As usual. Oh my god, you fucking flew. And UK did really come strong off that area, which I was right on, but no opportunity still. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat some real quick and just wait for this. If this happens, we might have a trade. If it doesn't, it is what it is. It kind of looks like it's just gonna slowly just keep going lower until it reaches liquidity. Yeah, that's probably what it looks like here, but it does depend. It lacks displacement here, so that's why we might get that reaction. But in my opinion, I think we're just gonna go lower, and we just had a dog shit entry that we couldn't trade off of. Yeah. Bro, the market been massively testing me lately. This would have been the trade. Straight been a market execution on this though. Oh my god, my ankle is fucking snapping. Shouldn't it be I don't think it should be a market execution on this because the gap is too small. Let me see on MetaTrader how it looks. It's not even present on MetaTrader pretty much. So yeah, this was an invalid trade, but it's sad to see it play out. But what can you do? Very nice break, nice retest, the entry, dog shit. Sadly, couldn't take that shit. But it is what it is. It would have been like a what? What is, I cannot see, 1.6 or 1.8? 1.6, yeah. Sadly played out. Oh my god, but Jill's the weakest. I mean, it is the weakest, to be honest. It was the weakest out of them all. Out of Euro and AU. AU probably... Oh, Euro is looking good as fuck as well. I mean... Yeah, this could have been an entry. Kinda incomplete inversion still. Yeah. Just not really valid today. Not really valid trades. Not really valid. This would have been the valid trade. It just got rejected by the entry. I'm gonna go eat some air. I don't know, eat something. You're gonna be back. Gonna do some back testing. If you wanna guys do some back testing battles, that would be pretty cool. And yeah, no fucking trade again. Bro, the market is testing. I don't break anymore. I mean, he has to inverse that big ass gap. It's too impulsive. No, I think generally it's kind of, I don't know, too small of an idea. But yeah, probably not gonna force this trade anymore. That was it. Didn't get it. It is what it is. No, watch it though, but I highly doubt we're gonna still play the short. We're gonna see, but I highly doubt it. bro. Good thing the entry got filtered here, cause we would have been destroyed on this. I like the Euro source though. Oh no. I mean, he has to break strong lower for me to take this. I'll be down taking shorts here because, yeah, we're just clear on reaching into that low. Even this low we didn't take. That's why I'm thinking we should be reaching lower. By the way, we came off a 50-minute gap. Now we don't have a 50-minute gap, but we have a big ass 5-minute gap here, which is why I like this. And we should just be reaching into that low, I would say. So I'm watching on this. If we inverse this, I might take this Euro trade, depending on how good the entry looks. Stop loss would come above this. And yeah, TP 1.5 at this low. I'm not looking to stretch for another one. What is this? Yeah, another 0.5 essentially. But yeah, this is my idea still. If we break, ooh, that's a good start. It should be a point of no return pretty much. Should be easily reaching lower here in this case. And it is valid, but it is entry. The entry is late. It's not off my usual 5-minute AVG, but it is off a fifth. What am I saying? It's not off a 50-minute AVG how I usually trade, but it's just kind of like continuation. It's more like an intuitive play and an adaptive play to look to follow the 5-minute. But he needs to break, and he needs to break pretty strong for me to take this. Let me just see. Yeah, that's not a strong break lower. That's not a strong break lower. Definitely not. But I like also that how we're coming off is very retractive compared to AU. Like, god damn, bro. We actually did recheck that 3-minute AVG. Good thing I got filtered over the trade here, because otherwise, yeah. I guess that 3-minute here was a reason to skip the trade, because look what it caused. Yeah, now I know for the future that I need to skip when we have things like that. We should be. I like this. It's kind of weak, but overall I like trading off these order blocks or breakers, however you want to call it. And this area is overall pretty decent, like wick and order block, but we need to break. If we don't break, it doesn't mean shit. It doesn't mean shit, basically. But I would still say we're in a point of no return. We should be reaching towards these lows, and this low, and yeah, this low. But it doesn't look like we want to do that shit though. Not yet. So doesn't look like it for now. Let's do some backtesting. Do you guys want to do battles? I don't know if you guys are here, like Naija and 6. I mean, DXY. Yeah, that PI is really good though. I'm short 2 on euro. I don't know. The thing that might fuck the euro trade is DXY, because it's too strong of a PI though. Too strong. That's why I wasn't looking to short as well. I wasn't that down on shorting on euro because of DXY being here. But I don't know. It might really fuck the euro trade, but it does depend though. Let's see how DXY is looking lower time frame. I wouldn't. Yeah, I don't know. This looks like it's gonna get inversed. This right there. Looks like it's gonna get inversed, and the 50-minute gap got closed. So I'm not sure I want to be still taking these shorts on euro. DXY has a pretty huge impact on. DXY has a pretty huge impact on euro. It's like 60-something%, I'm pretty sure, which is pretty fucking big. So if DXY is really gonna Short means the euro is very likely on buying, so usually you want to have them correlated. DXY is very important for euro, so I'm not sure I want to, yeah, I want to be taking these shorts though, even though we have liquidity and we should be coming here. I'm not sure because of DXY. I would really consider not trading it. A lot of my setups have failed in the past because of DXY. Yeah, 57%. Yeah, pretty big, very big. I mean, more than half if we think about it. It's huge. It's fucking huge. So I'm not sure I want to take the short though, but it does depend. It does depend. We might come still to take these highs on DXY, but I feel like that's a stretch. That's a very risky play to try to anticipate still. So I don't know if I want to short though on euro. I don't know if I want to do it, but it does look good though. I mean, I don't really see, like, in terms of euro price action, I don't see absolutely no reason why we would fail and not deliver lower. But um yeah, even though you don't see a reason in terms of price action with DXY, might, like, euro might just fail this trade just because of DXY, even if price action doesn't really tell shit. Seen it happen too many times. So yeah, probably not gonna be trading nothing. Good thing I skipped this, bro. It would have been, yeah, we really failed of that 3 minute, which is kind of crazy though. I mean, now we're reaching back into the highs. Clearly we're reaching back into these Asian highs. On AU, Geo's probably the weakest. If we want to short, we should be shorting Geo though still. But on taking liquidity, I don't want to do that shit. Yeah, I don't want to do it. DAX is stalling. UK ended up massively going high, which I was right on this PI. You would have hit TP on this demo, but yeah, I was really right on that shit. But I cannot really be taking trades here neither, so only kind of valid setups though. Kind of looks like it's stalling, but I don't know. I still don't know if I want to take this. Probably it's just better to avoid it, just because, yeah, safety reasons, because of the DXY. Because if it goes bullish, it does definitely have liquidity to come for. Like, look how much liquidity we have. I mean, this consolidation is pretty strong. I don't know if we're gonna hold hard in this consolidation, but we're gonna see. Maybe he's gonna react to somewhere here, maybe even the CVG. I mean, now this inverse right there. So this area is pretty strong overall. I would see I will at least cause a reaction, so something like this I would see happening here, and then we continue off the highs. Yeah, that's kind of what I see happening here. This short probably pretty much getting invalidated. I don't want to force any shit, bro. Let's see if this happens, just out of curiosity. I would still kind of want to backtest though, which I'm probably gonna do soon. I'm probably gonna yeah, probably gonna do this. I did this before. Let me close this panel. Do you guys have FX replay? Do you want to do battles, or I'm gonna do it solo? Just to know, either so either I make a battle or I'm gonna solo backtest. Just tell me if you guys want to join this and backtest together. So Silly Penguin. Nice name, buddy. You guys have a FX replay, so I know. Am I gonna do a solo session or am I gonna do battles? I feel like I'm gonna do a battle pretty much anyway. Let's see. Casual. I'm gonna put my name here so you guys know. Okay, bro. Okay. 50. Let's do duration. Let's do 30 minutes. Just like a short session. Let's do 35. Participants. I would probably do. What pair do I even want to do? I kind of miss backtesting DXY, so probably I'm gonna do DXY. Let's do. I don't know. There's some gold traders. If someone wants to join gold, and then Q. And Q. Yeah, that's pretty much shield profit target. We don't need that shit. Max drawdown. 20% max daily drawdown. We're gonna put the prop firm rules. Let's do the prop firm rules. Session data length, let's do max. I don't know what this does. Anyway, so DXY. Let's see. Just really an off day once again, but let me copy this into my Discord. Everyone. I'm gonna wait like a couple minutes. Yeah, Euro is not looking like it's gonna give a fuck. I think the XY is just gonna carry on just too hard. That PY is too strong and it's gonna really impact the Euro here. But yeah, silly penguin. I'm gonna wait like 2 minutes to see if anyone's joining. If not, we chillin'. Can I move this? Paper trader. Why is that my status? Why is my status paper trader? CS enjoyer? Of course you're here, brody. Why do you have like a red shit on your name? Day trader scalper SMC. You're him. I don't know, it's just it's just what the name that I got generated from FX replay for some reason. Yeah, I don't know if anyone gonna join, but let's do it. Because I think people can join later on, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, okay. Oh, I need to do my indicators. Indicators session. Let's see, 7, 8, 13. Style. Color shadow New York orange. Green and blue. Okay, let me go to Bucharest as well, and we're chilling. I should save this, save the layout. Okay, let's see, where's my time frames? Oh, I'm stupid. Let's see what DXY be doing here. I don't know. Potential bearish order flow soon though. Definitely, that's what I see. Oh, the Belgium guy joined. Let's go. Let's go, Belgium. We do have this buy side here. It's just weird. I wouldn't really have that much of a bias. Sell side is taken here. Yeah, we need to see some shit there. But oh shit. Ooh, this might be a retracement trade actually, but timing is really off here. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're gonna have. Oh, this break is dog shit still. I do see a retracement trade because we have buy side liquidity and unmitigated PI, which and external liquidity getting rated. This is one of my setups that I very rarely trade. Until now, I didn't really have it on the funded. Basically, it's kind of a rare setup. Yeah, I'm buying here. I just want to try it out. Where's my... Oh. Let's do 2% just for funsies. Oh. Oh. That's so annoying, bruh. Why didn't you reach into TP? That's actually so fucking annoying. Like, this it really didn't make any sense. Like, this should have been a win normally. But I think we also had some news, yeah. This should have been a win. Maybe should have been break even, I don't know. But this, yeah, this should have been a win, like a no-brainer win. But yeah, that's why I say it's a retracement trick. Is look at this shit. We had news apparently. Nah, back that Steam for stats anyways. I think that was a good trade though still. Let's see Asia here. I mean, we're still expecting lower prices definitely. Buy sell liquidity rate, yeah, definitely lower prices. But we're off timing. Do we still have the 50-minute gap? Yes sir, and we actually, I mean, Asian low is kind of rated. I don't like this, still voided. Yeah, I just played out. God damn. Would I be bullish for some reason? We do have 4 hour, but I don't know if I would be bullish though still. Yeah, I think it's gonna be news again. Oh shit. Yeah, it was news again. Oh, it's actually a decent inversion here. terms of entry, I want to see a resweep. Yeah, the euros is breaking. It doesn't look bad though. It doesn't look bad at all, but I really wouldn't go against the XY here anyways. I wouldn't go against the XY. Yeah, it's too late over retracement. I still was gonna work like overnight maybe. Yeah, and it's rejecting it, so. Ooh, I skipped a bit too much, but you might be fine in somewhat of a measure. Where are we on the higher time frame? I always want to see if we have reason to be bullish, but it's not that much reasoning here. We can take the point of no return. I would say at least Asian highs here. They kinda got swept though. What's good, bro? Just doing some battles, bro. Just chilling. We didn't have any trades today. Again, want to see this getting close above. Doing some battles. If you want to join, I think. Oh yeah, I forgot to send the link on the chat. Yeah, it's failing. We're still way better on being bearish, but fucks the trade. Really does fuck the trade, that inversion. On a long-term basis. Now it's mitigated. Now it's a bit better. But lunchtime timing. Yeah, see that inversion ended up really causing. Yep, sir. Timing was bad, anyways. Yeah, I wouldn't trade this. Did we raid this? Okay, this might be a decent sell, but I'm not sure. Oh, what the fuck? I'm so stupid. I was pressing the trading view. I was pressing the trading view, drawing, and trying to put it on FX replay. It's crazy. US mortgage, look, yeah. Oh shit. Big break lower. I see the retest. Doesn't look bad, but I want to see the close. You want to short this? Oh, we have we're invalidated once again. I didn't see this. Too many POIs, sadly. Yeah, see that ended up really causing a reaction higher. Maybe if we break it, I might be down. Oh, I'm taking like a very small idea towards next POI. I mean, we do have a decent break here, but I'm not sure about the trade. Let's try it out. 15-minute gap is just kind of retractive. Generally, I don't like this. I don't like it intuitively. It can work. It can do whatever it wants, but I don't. Yeah, see, I don't like it. Just intuitively skipped it. Oh, maybe we could have had the second reaction. No, it was breaking, but definitely wouldn't have taken this bullshit right there. It's a bullshit entry, no displacement. Looks like it's gonna work, but I don't really care. Wait, this is actually good. Ooh, this is good. I like this shit. I like this. Finally, a good fucking trade. Can I place a fucking drawing, bitch? Bro, it doesn't let me. Bro, these last couple of trades I've been trading like shit. Yeah, bro, me too, bro. I feel you. I feel you, brody. No, I missed it, but this does look good. This does look very good. I like this trade. This would be a trade I would take. Let me do. Where's the place order? Market. Why do you not let me mark it, bro? Bruh. So annoying. Sometimes FX replay really bugs out. See, it doesn't fucking let me place this order, bro. Bro, why is you bugging out? Okay, finally. Auto safety? Yeah, that was a good decision. But let's see if it carries on. I would say it should though. Bro, there's no fucking way you're legitimately serious on this. There's no way you're legitimately serious, bro. Even backtesting is fucking testing my patience is crazy though. It's crazy fucking work. Are you serious? We're not reaching in the most fucking obvious sell side possible and we're just reversing one tick before reaching it? That's crazy though. fuck this, bro. It's really annoying when, yeah, when nothing really works. But what can you do? That's fucking annoying. Yeah, this inverse looks decent, but ooh, I like this. I like this. I like this. Because we have very nice sell side. We don't need that much of a stop loss. I think this is fine. I'm eliminated? How am I eliminated? Okay. I'm actually gonna do solos though. Can I not rejoin back into it? Oh, I think I can rejoin, no? Yeah, I can rejoin. Oh, I can. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, name. Let's do the extra. I still want to do backtesting, but it's annoying when no trade is pretty much working. Let's see. Let's do what year? 2022? I feel like I haven't done 2022 in a while. Let's see. Let me save my. Where's. Bro. I just saved that layout. Why is not a. Fuck you, bruh. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Let's see. Really be testing me a lot, like the market, back testing, pretty much everything's been testing my mental lately. Because having a high frequency setup, like a high frequency trading strategy, and not having barely any trades for 2 weeks, yeah, that's something rare, I would say, at least. Let's save that shit. Let's see. Is timing proper? It is. Okay, where we are, hard time frame. Oh yeah, I'm waiting on this hourly, but we do have a lot of buys getting swept here. But I'm definitely waiting on this to trade higher. Should not be too much of a brain cell. I mean, not, yeah, but why would we care about that POI? If we inverse, we might trade lower towards that POI, but it kind of looks like it. Yeah, but just got rejected. Now we inversed, but it's too late. 10. Let's see. Do we want to be bearish? I mean, we kind of fell, but I'm not confident enough that to be bearish now. Maybe. Let's see. Did we have? We didn't anyway. Now I might be confident. Now structure really switched with this lower high, but gap is pretty fucking high though. But we are retesting this inverse, and I'm down on taking this low. Yeah, this looks decent, but this big ass 1 minute gap really fucks the trade here. Now it's better if we, let's see after this sweep. Oh my god, it's fucking crazy how we're reversing off a 1 minute fucking gap though. It's crazy work. It's fucking crazy still. I think it's still gonna go lower though. Maybe I'm tripping. Wonder B claim. Buy sell liquidity rate into this. This looks like a good gap to get inverse, but yeah, this looks good intuitively. But I don't know if intuitive is enough to be taking a trade, because we have traded a lot around this AVG. But intuitively, let me just try out my intuition. I'm not really trading for statistics at this point. I just want to trade for fun. Let's do this low 1.3. I mean, we can do like this. I think it's not gonna work again. Fuck you, FX replay. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Why are you bugging? Okay. Finally, bruh. But it did kind of struggle a lot. I'm curious, yeah, it's gonna deliver to that low as well. Kinda struggled a lot. Oh, I risked 2%, I think. By mistake, I should have been one. Oh shit, we fucking melt of that shit. Okay. I mean, this can be a better trade here on Euro. If we inverse this, it would definitely be just closed the last position I was in. Wait for the dust to settle till I take the next trade. Yeah. Yeah. That's chilling. Did you win or what was your position? Big ass inversion here. I'm a full porn. Nah, bro, don't do it. It's not worth it. Stay patient. It's not worth it. Trust me, it's not worth it. Not worth it. You're just gonna regret it, and you're gonna be in more pain after you do it. Full porting, very low chance it's gonna work out. Just trust me on this one because I've been where you are. Don't do it. Like really, don't do it. I had no trades for 2 weeks and I'm still not forcing any trade. That's the mentality you need to have to be profitable. Just maintain patience and not get angry no matter what really the market be telling you or is doing or is showing you. Yeah, this is pre-bullish. That's a very good close there, but yeah, my set is just rated here. That was a very good close and I did know it, but yeah, not something I would trade personally. It was just a small move. Yeah, I might be doing this as a where's my paper trade, but it's kind of getting rejected. So shorted Solana, had a good win, but can't tell if we're gonna bounce here or continue dumping. That's probably a better choice that you close the position. When you don't know, when you can read the market, it's just better either to not trade, and if you're in position, just close it. That was the good choice you did. Oh my god, I'm doing it again, bro. I'm selecting a trading view order and I'm placing it on FX replay. I would avoid trading like this instantly because of high resistance. I would just completely avoid it, but I am down to watch how price behaves here. Oh, nice equal low sweep. Ooh. It's pretty nice. I would want to see this turn into a breaker, like just intuitive trading here. Yeah. Like, should I do full intuitive trading on this one? I feel like, yeah, let's probably do it. It's just like full intuitive trading. It's a bit more fun. Just what I see on price. I don't really care about stats though. This is what happens when you do full intuitive trading. But I think it's still gonna work. But yeah, I think that was not such a bad entry, just that it reacted off the gap. This lock in. I mean, yeah, I'm not even backtesting to be like that serious. I'm just chilling. Full intuitive trading, full fucking loss instantly. See if we carry on very short of flow. Doesn't really look like it though. Yeah, kinda looks bullish. Unless we inverse, but even if we inverse, we have this right here at the bottom. Yeah, see, I need to see that getting close below, otherwise I'm not trading. Look at this shit, bro. Like, this is really what sometimes experience be doing, because look at this, we inverse this, but we come and react to that inversion. Hi, bro. Look at the, oh, this was a trade here, I just missed it. I got distracted for a second. Entry? Nah, not really. Now we took this. Yeah, the zero is struggling so hard. I think because of DXY struggling that hard. Let's see. Oops, skipped a bit too much. Still choppy. Would I take these shorts? Nah. Would I take these buys? Nah, not really. Not really. Maybe it can work. Let's see. I don't really like this sell side being present at the lows. Would actually be a bit more down on shorting towards that. This. Dude, like, that's not a good. Ooh, I mean, if we had a better sweep, I would have just shorted off here towards this. That's kind of reversely behavior. Look at these equal lows. Inversion. This is very reversely behavior, but I think it's just short term. If we inverse the shit, I'm short. Just for, yeah, out of curiosity. I'm just really playing. Not even doing only valid trades. I just want to play. Yeah. Intuitively, yeah. Kinda that's gonna happen. Nah, nothing today, bro. Nothing again. The market really testing my patience, but I'm gonna stay patient. Maybe the music is too hard, my bad. Bro, again, bro, I'm stupid. Like, I've been doing that 3 fucking times. I mean, yeah, this should be clear on being very sure. Ooh, I like this low. That FVG got cleared. I see a retracement. If we do get it, we don't. Fuck. Fucky. Let's see an equilibrium. Oh shit, already left. Yeah. Oh, we had a 50-minute POI. I didn't notice it. Now this could have been a good continuation trade. Entry. This maybe. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Should have executed there, but yeah, it's all good. Nice reversal behavior. Very nice reversal behavior, actually. But we need to see that higher low form. Maybe towards next day. Yeah, we don't give a shit. We don't give no shits. Let's see higher time frame. We might be in an area where we. Yeah, it's better. And or than forcing a trade or forcing a bad trade that is gonna end up losing. It's just it's just about really being patient because that just waiting for the trades to come. Would I be scared necessarily here? I don't know. It's just weird. I would be unbiased here. Okay, now we did inverse. Now inverse again, but I wouldn't short. Like, I'm unbiased. I need to see something. That's a bit better though. I want to see retest too. Yeah. Yes, now it's too late. I'm biased here. I have clear buy. Oh fuck. And this was a good trade. I mean, it just melted, but it would have been good. Do we want to continue where we are again? We need to check higher time frame placement where we are. I don't know if I want to be shorting here. With this small gap, break it looks slow. We're probably gonna retrace more towards here. Okay, this looks like a good gap, but it's probably gonna get mitigated later on or never. Bro, now it's gonna get mitigated pretty much. Ooh, should I trust intuition and shorting here? Let's trust, but it's gonna be a small idea. It's gonna be barely until this breaker. I don't trust that breaker more than this. Gonna be a really short scalp. Oh, never mind. Never mind. We completely ignored that breaker. But intuitively, again, good. Short here, nah, no real entry. Now I was gonna reverse most likely, or oh no, I don't even know. Oof, I kind of like that we swept all this buy side. I just don't know if we really want to short from here. We need this. Ooh, that's a strong closure of the high. God damn, sometimes. Oh, let's see this close. Should we do it there? Point of no return. I'm doing this internal lows just intuitive. Oh yeah, just intuitively. I'm doing this internal lows. Not do more than that. I'm gonna explain later on why. Why? Let me see if it reverses. Oh my god, bro. Intuition is something really powerful, bro. Really powerful. Why did I take this internal lows? Because this was a very strong low look addition. And it also rated this low. It was very unlikely for us to reach back. This just looked like a very strong low that doesn't get taken. I don't know how to explain. It's just experience, to be honest. You might reach back again. Maybe was just a temporary reaction, but it's just risk. Oh yeah, we're holding bullish off here. It doesn't look bad, it's just kind of weird PA. It's pretty much bullish, I can already tell. Oh, never mind. Wait, this is actually pretty good. I wouldn't trade into that big ass of a gap here, but this would have been the entry here. It's just too risky. Now it's too late. Yeah, this is good also. Yeah, see. But timing really fucks trades many times. Weird. This is probably gonna hold lower. I do want to see us come into it. Let's see. Or get inverse and retested, but we just don't retest. I really expected this to hold lower though. Let's see if we get bullish for the flow of this. I want to see a big swing and then a higher low. Nice, that's a good start. I want to see us come here. That's actually pretty fucking good. It's just timing is off. Oh my god, that's so good, bro. Am I gonna trade off timing? I don't really trust off timing. I think we're gonna get a sweep. Nah, I don't trust the no sweep part. Yeah, but I was right on this though. Can I do an intuitive play again? Just shorting towards this. I wouldn't do it because it's too risky on not taking the buy side, but after we take the buy side, maybe. Yeah, see, the Euro 4 trade. Okay, nice retest here. Very nice retest of this area, but entry was off timing. Let me see. Yeah, it was just very iffy. This would, yeah, this, oh shit, I actually wanted to enter here. But yeah, it is what it is. I see. Oh yeah, this is a good inversion. Let's see higher time frame. Where are we? We are in this inversion, and we are in this week. Yeah, I would expect some reaction lower here. This is a good inversion. I'll take price. I don't really like this breaker though, but I would take it towards there. It's a very big inversion, but I do want to see a close below. Oh, that's pretty good. If we inverse this, I'm taking it. Small idea, but it is what it is. Fuck you, bro. Oh my god, why is FX Replay doing this fucking error over and over again lately? Okay, now it works. Yeah, I'll probably close here. Oh, never mind. Chilling. Yeah, classic model. This is a model I would trade. Now we're probably gonna see that bullish reaction in it. At least I see. Oh, never mind. This is again a very good inversion. So we get follow-ups on just keep trading, but I don't like this. Need to see get close below either. Like both. Need both. Yeah, that's good. Timing is off. But I think we're just gonna display soft timing. Oh, I really see this holding lower though. Yeah. Are we chasing this? Can we target that previous? Yeah, I feel like this can work, but yeah, I'm not doing it because I don't like that this is open. Oh my god, it did work, but sometimes skip trades work. Didn't like that shit was open. Let's see. Any trade yet? Nah. Just back this in. Nothing really. Probably for New York, maybe. We're definitely gonna find some resistance, I feel like, in this area. Let me remove every drawing I have. We have this. Yeah, I would really like to see this New York high getting taken. My bad, it's like right there. Right there. Oh shit, that's a strong, but I still feel like we're gonna get that very short of flow. Or am I tripping? I don't know. We rated pretty nicely here. This could have been a nice bullish pattern, but I don't trust it. I really don't trust it into this. Okay, never mind. Oh shit. Let's see if next day carries on the same version lower, but I highly doubt it. Okay. We do have technically a valid trade here, but I would take it at most towards this Asian low, like it's clear draw, but that's very, yeah, it's probably not gonna work. We're probably gonna come for this high first. And I don't like this gap being open here. Okay, now we're reaching. Can I do an intuitive play again? Just intuitive. Bruh. Yeah, me too, bro. Did you have anything today? Sorry, I didn't ask. I was focused. Still back tested. I was gonna reverse and go to the high. Bruh. Should I do intuitive again? Let's see. How near if oh no. I wanted to get an opportunity to get involved here, but apparently we don't. 2.2 Z's. I was scared a bit of London highs here, that it might take it. Yeah, I should have been fully scared of it and just not traded. Let's see how our statistic been doing. Nothing today. Oh shit. Okay. Pretty good. If it didn't take this stupid L now. Yeah, bro. I feel like I don't know. I feel like it's just the market overall moving like shit. I think I'm just done. Oh yeah, it's like timing is done. Yeah, pretty good backtesting session. Most of them were intuitive plays, but just for funsies. What did I do? I mean, this is kind of my win rate anyways. Like, this is what I averaged on my funded. But yeah, nothing, bro. Like, I feel like I'm going crazy as well. Like, it's really hard to stay sane when there's no fucking setups for so long. I want to see something. It feel like going crazy when, I mean, I don't even know. It just feels off. It feels like, I don't know. I feel like maybe something universal, because you don't have trades either, so I thought it's maybe just me. But I guess the market is moving a bit weird as well. Oh yeah, she was looking at slightly bearish here. I wouldn't take it though. Yeah. I mean, that's probably it for the shoe. We just, oh my god, look at this shit. Look at that TP though. So I'm gonna leave this open just for fun. Yeah, that's gonna be it for the stream, bro. Nothing today. It's very hard to stay sane when there's not been any fucking trades for so long. But this is part of trading, and this is part of being profitable. You need to be able to maintain patience and keep waiting for your setups and not force anything. Like, if the market, like, that's what I was struggling with a lot as a beginner, or even in the break-even phase, when I would have no trades, I would just get angrier and angrier and angrier every day until eventually I would force a trade and lose, right? But now I feel like I just kind of, it's fine. I just understand that by me forcing a trade, I'm just getting more away from profitability and most likely just gonna lose, and it's not really helping at all. Forcing trades, and like this, I don't even get annoyed anymore. I'm just waiting. It is annoyed, but I'm not getting so annoyed to the point where I would actually like force a trade. If the market doesn't present opportunity, it doesn't. Like, at some point, I know the market is gonna start fucking flooding with setups again, how we were in the phase one. In phase one, bro, I had so many setups. I had like 2 trades per day on the minimum, like 2 high quality trades, not like normal trades, 2 high quality trades or 1 high quality trade per day at least. But lately, I didn't even have 2 trades per week. I feel like, but yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I'm just gonna chill, not do much. We're gonna wait for New York. Let's see if there's gonna be something for New York. I do like some continuations on Euro, but The range is very choppy, it's very slow. I don't know. Oh shit. That's fucking that's melted, bro. He doesn't give a shit about nothing. Oh, look at this shit, bro. Look how fucking accurate this shit retested that low. It's crazy. But yeah, still no valid trade. Fuck. Yeah, bro, it's annoying, but in a sense, how I see things is that the more setups I don't get in a week, the higher the chance becomes that I get abundant setups next week. In a sense, like the market is gonna give back. If I don't have any trades this week, next week I'm gonna have more than usual. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's gonna be it for today, and I'm gonna see you in New York if we have something. Like at this point, I'm not even expecting to have a trade for the rest of the week. To be honest, it's not moving that great, but yeah.